Welcome to AI on Your Side. Today we're exploring how you can harness the incredible potential of generative AI as the future of work evolves. Think of GenAI as a powerful support tool, like your own on-call genius sidekick, ready to help you thrive and excel. Let's dive in. First, let's be clear. Generative AI isn't here to replace you. It is going to change the future of work, but it will enhance your personal abilities. Imagine it as your digital assistant, and it thrives on a little bit of instruction. Here are some ways that I've come to think of generative AI, and framing it as an assistant to what you do is really helpful. You could think of it like an executive assistant, someone who can summarize reports and organize your data. Generative AI can be like a research assistant. It quickly gathers insights and uncovers trends you might miss. In research and development, it analyzes data to fuel innovation. It can also be like an admin, assistant, intern, doing simple tasks like scheduling and reminders. Or it could be an HR specialist and a project manager, offering recruitment insights and helping track your projects seamlessly. So I find it incredibly helpful to think of an AI as my assistant, a really smart assistant. But in order for this assistant to help me, I do need to give it some good instructions. Now let's tackle a common fear. Will AI replace me? The answer is no. You can think of generative AI like a really great piece of software, like Microsoft Word or email on steroids. It's a tool that can make you more efficient, but it still needs your direction and creativity to work. It's also important to recognize that generative AI has limitations. It doesn't have judgment or original thinking. And that's where you come in. The real magic happens when your human creativity works hand in hand with AI's capabilities. To see how artificial intelligence evolves in business, let's look at McKinsey's AI adoption framework. In their framework, organizations go through 5 stages. The first is ad hoc. Businesses are testing small projects with no clear strategy around AI. The second step is localized. AI is used in specific areas with some coordination. The third phase is integrated. AI is now in cross-functional teams and they're adopting AI tools. The fourth phase is enterprise. AI becomes part of the core business strategy. And finally, the fifth phase is embedded. AI drives innovation at every level of the organization. So this framework can help you see where your team and your business or where you are on this journey and to help you prepare for the next step. So let's take a look at a real-world example of how generative AI can enhance our work as humans. Canva is the leading graphic design platform, one that I personally used as a digital content creator for years. And it has now successfully integrated generative AI features right into the platform, without replacing the role of professional designers. So it has tools like Magic Resize, Background Remover, AI-driven design suggestions that make it easier for people to create professional-looking content without needing super advanced design skills. Now, does Canva work without a human? No, there needs to be a human to actually use the tool. The features inside Canva democratize access to design by simplifying complex tasks. At the same time, its tools complement rather than replace professional designers, who can use these tools to streamline repetitive tasks and focus on higher value creative work. I don't think the role of graphic designers is going away anytime soon, but I do think that a graphic designer empowered with generative AI is able to do even more and create even better work, and that's what I'm excited for. So here's your assignment for this video. Think about a technology that you've mastered before in work. It could have been a customer relationship management system, or maybe it's the software that you use in work. Reflect on how it's now become an integral part of your life and work. It's normal, right? You know how to use it, and you use it every day. But there was once upon a time where it was brand new and it felt daunting. And sometimes generative AI can feel like that. It's like this brand new box that we have to figure out and apply it to our work. But what was that process like the last time that you learned a really complex technology? Were you enthusiastic or nervous at first? And at what point did you get curious and experiment, and then when did it become easy? And how does it feel to you today? Does it feel effortless to use it? That's exactly how generative AI can be for you and me as we go on this journey. So remember, the future with generative AI isn't about replacing you, it's about empowering you. Stay curious, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.